Hey, friends, it is Julius Washington, your roving realtor for new construction and all things real estate here in Blythewood and the greater Columbia areas of South Carolina. Today, we are touring the new construction community of Leatherstone, which is located in Blythewood, South Carolina. This floor plan is called the Hayden, and it is built by D.R. Horton. As it relates to the rooms, it's a 5 bedroom, 3 bath house and is approximately 2511 square feet, priced starting right at $344,990. In this particular Hayden plan, there is a first floor's flex space. The primary bedroom can be found upstairs and is connected to the spacious primary bathroom and a walk in closet. Bedroom 2 is downstairs along with a full bathroom, while the remaining bedrooms are upstairs. The beautiful kitchen space is an open concept and features a floating island, beautiful quartz countertops, backsplash, and cabinetry. This home and its modern elevated features are waiting for you in Leatherstone. If you are enjoying the information and the tours that I put out on my YouTube channel, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. More importantly, if I can help you purchase this home plan or any home here in Blythewood or greater Metro Columbia, it would be my pleasure. In the meantime, enjoy the tour.